Alright guys, so if you notice for some time now, I've not really been able to make remote work from home job videos. That is because I came to the understanding that most remote jobs that I usually see are really quite competitive, and for most of my audience, it's not really what they want. And because of that, I've been able to look for something that will not really require you to have so much training before you get into. So I've been able to find jobs like that, and these include ad rating jobs or ad evaluation jobs and AI services like training AI. So you know that AI is everywhere right now, so people are still in high demand for AI services. So because of that, I am going to share in this video 3 websites where I found these jobs that anybody, literally anybody, can actually apply to, as long as you have the qualification they need, and it does not require you to have a special skill, because in some cases you're going to be briefed on how to do this job. But if you're seeing this video for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years as a UX designer, and on this channel I share my experiences, my tips, and the information I have about remote jobs, work from home jobs, ways to make money online, and every other thing in between. So if it's something you're very much interested in, please consider liking this video and subscribing to be a part of our growing community. So the first place I saw a remote job opportunity is on this platform. The name of the platform is ROWS, and they always gathering pool of talents that can help them do things like AI training projects or freelancing jobs or any other thing at all. They have a lot of things that they run here, and they're always looking for individuals to recruit. So if you come here, you can see they have train AI projects and opportunities for freelancers. That is, if you have a skill, especially when it comes to translation, so you can come on board here. So because we are talking about training AI, if you click here where it says search jobs, you're going to see that they have AI data specialist jobs here, and these jobs are from different locations around the world. And if you scroll down, you see this one is for South Africa, and this one is also remote. So if you are remote anywhere, you can actually apply to this one. And you see image processing, AI data specialist, and this one is for search engine evaluation. So what these search engine evaluators basically do is to assess results that Google search engine always bring out, to be able to know how people react to it, and if it is satisfactory, the reviews, like when it comes to like maybe stores and stuff like that that appear on Google search. That way Google will have understanding about what people are actually interested in and the best information to give them when they have such queries. So they will always show the most important ones on top so people can benefit from it. So that is why this search engine evaluation job is very, very important. So you can see different countries here for these jobs. So anyone you are interested in, assuming you're interested in AI data specialist in South Africa, you click on it and you're going to see everything that is required. Of course, it's a freelance position and it's available in South Africa. For this one, you're going to earn $8 per hour working in this position, and you can see other important information. So basically, the tasks you're going to be carrying out is data collection, evaluation, annotation, pairwise comparison, counting tasks, and object tagging and labeling across different content like audios, videos, images, and collected data. So those are the things, and of course it's 100% remote. So if you want to apply, you just apply using a Gmail account you have. If you have one, like, you must have a Gmail account. So you just click here where it says apply for job, then you're going to fill out this information here on this form. Once you have finished filling it out, then they're going to inform you about the next step in your email. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. And the second website I want to talk about is one I've always talked about on this channel, and there you're also going to find jobs from different locations across the globe, and you also find things like search engine evaluation jobs, ad rating jobs, translation jobs, and all those kind of jobs on this platform. Again, you don't really need to have so much of the skill when it comes to AI training and ad evaluation, because as long as you can read and write, you can easily follow instruction. That is the things that are actually needed from you. So if you come to the website, the name of the website is Welocalize. You can see they have translation, localization, interpretation, QA testing jobs here. So they have different things. This one is for AI jobs and all of that. So if you're a Nigerian, you speak Hausa language, they have opportunity right now for Hausa Talent Hub on this platform. And of course, if you are Igbo from Nigeria, they're always, because most of the audience I have are from Nigeria, so you guys always ask about if it is available. So now, if you're an Hausa speaking Nigerian, Igbo speaking Nigerian, this is the opportunity to shape the future of AI by joining them to train AI. So if you come here, if you want to apply to this one, so you can see the job is remote, and these are the information. You just have to, be able to read through to understand. And what they need from you is to be a native or near native speaking. Like you have to be fluent in Igbo language. You have to be based in Nigeria. So if you're outside of Nigeria, you might not really be eligible to apply for this one. Then you have to be comfortable with digital tools, detail-oriented and curious. So this is why you should join the job and every other thing. So you have to apply by clicking this apply for this job button, and you're going to see this form that you're going to fill out here to get started doing this job. So you have to answer these questions, to be able to know what you're expected to do. So here you can choose different things you can actually do. That's the advantage of this. If you're good at data labeling, you can choose it. If you want proofreading, editing, quality rating, and keyword research and tagging, all these things, anyone you're interested in, just check the box for each one when you're filling out this form to get started. And as you can see, they have opportunity for people that don't have any experience at all. So if they don't need people with that experience, they won't put this option here. So but they actually want people with no experience, so you don't need to worry if you don't have any experience. So these are the things you have to know. Then you apply for this job and then submit application here. So we have one more website to go. But before we continue, if you've seen value so far in this video, please don't fail to like, to subscribe to our channel. I'm really grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in one way or the other. We really appreciate you. And if you need to put your resume or cover letter together to make this application, you don't have to stress, because I have prepared a 12-in-1 job application bundle that allows you to make job applications and make a tailored job application to every job opportunity you see. All you have to do is just to customize it. It is ATS friendly, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you're interested, please check it out with a link in the description below. So another website I want to talk about is another one that I have talked about on this channel as well, and in this place you will also find similar jobs here. So if you come to the website, you can see that they have job available for different countries. You see, this is Argentina, Australia, Brazil, United States, South Africa, Philippines, and so much more. So you have to just click on the one you're interested in. Like if you're interested in jobs in South Africa, you click on it, and then you're going to see the jobs that are available here. And this one is data and AI job. You can choose if you have any experience or knowledge about this. So you can choose the ones that you want, make your application. However, these are job openings here for different places. This one is for personalized internet ad assessors. This is something as search engine evaluating jobs or ad rating jobs. They go by different names. So as you can see, these are the ones that are available at the moment. This one is for the Philippines. So if you check this one out to see more about the job, you can see everything, the description, the requirement, and every other thing you are expected to know about this job. So if it's something you're interested in, just click the apply button on the one that you feel you qualify to apply to, and then you get started. Most times, most of these jobs can pay you anywhere from $8 to $35 per hour to do these jobs. And once you're through with the application process and you eventually make it to the job, you'll be notified how the whole job will go and your payment process. So if you're interested, do well to check out all these websites. I'm going to leave the link to these websites in the comment section, so when you see them, comment "seen" so that I know that you have seen them. And if you see value so far on this video, please don't fail to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of you that have been supporting us. Please do well to check out this video to learn more about the new Google AI tools and how you can use them to make money. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.